Transform your videos from static to stunning with this explosive cutout transition technique in Capcut. Tired of those boring, predictable transitions? Today, we're mastering the eye-catching cutout effect that will inject serious energy and modern flair into your edits. Open up Capcut and lay down the two clips you want to connect with this transition. We'll call them Clip A and Clip B. First, we need to create a distinct cut point. Place your playhead exactly where you want Clip A to end and Clip B to begin. Now, select Clip A and use the Split tool to cut it at that exact point on the timeline. Head over to the Overlay option and tap Add Overlay. This overlay will be the mask. For our cutout, you can use any image, sticker, or even a solid color shape. Drag this overlay so it starts exactly where Clip A ends on the timeline. We'll extend its duration to cover the beginning of Clip B. Now, select your overlay and tap Mask. Choose the Linear Mask option. This is what will create our cutting effect. We need to animate this mask. Tap the diamond-shaped keyframe icon at the beginning of the overlay's timeline. Now, move your playhead to the very end of the overlay's timeline. This is where the cut will be complete. With the mask still active, drag the mask line entirely off the screen to the right so it completely disappears. You'll see the mask animate, creating that sharp cutting effect. Go back to the beginning of the overlay and adjust the mask orientation if needed, ensuring it cuts cleanly through your scene. And there you have it, a powerful and dynamic cutout transition to elevate your video editing experiment with different overlay elements and mask orientations to create your unique signature style.